Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you something very interesting, something very unusual and something very unique. Just check it out. You can see the all icons are floating here and there and giving an aesthetic look. So for this you have to just simply visit your Play Store or the App Store, and there is an app mentioned rolling icon. You have to search it out, rolling icon, as I have downloaded it. So you have to just simply come here as I have downloaded it, and these are the settings. You have multiple options to select as your choice. First of all is the app icon, then the photo icon, emoji icon, wallpaper, icon glare, and the settings. So you have to set it up by your own choice. Either you want to set it as emoji icons, or you have to set the icons as random and customized pictures of your own choice. So it totally depends upon your choice. For such informative and unique videos, you have to subscribe my channel, and please do support my channel, like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you everybody.